Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. Hope you guys will stick around for more videos. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. In today's video, we are going to be doing a nice little under sink organization in my bathroom. I'm obsessed with cleaning and organizing in my new apartment. I like things to be put together, clean, and just, you know, nice and appealing to look at when you open the cabinets, and it's just not a hot mess. And you want to know where everything is so that you can actually use it. And yeah, I mean, who doesn't love a good organized home? I literally spent $0 on this under sink organization project just by using things in my apartment that I already had. So I highly suggest doing the same thing if you're looking to not spend a ton of money on reorganizing a certain area of your home. If you guys do enjoy this video or this type of video though, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. P.S. I have an entire playlist full of clean with me's and organization videos that you guys can watch if you are interested. I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as probably right here on the screen in the corner and maybe at the end of the video. So just, it's everywhere. And without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome to my under sink in my bathroom. I don't know what other name to call it, but this is the area underneath our sink where we literally store a lot of different random things that we're not using all the time, and it's time to finally organize it. My first step is to go ahead and take out everything from underneath the cabinet so I can start with a clean slate. So I am removing everything from out underneath and just piling it all in front of the cabinet so I can see exactly what I have. Now that everything's out of the cabinet, I just want to take a quick Clorox wipe and go in and just clean up any random hairs or dirt or gunk that might have gotten in the cabinet, just making sure that we are starting out clean. I really wanted to utilize a bunch of different baskets and things that I already had in my apartment. So these are just different bins and storage items that I found around our apartment when we moved that we just weren't using before. I went ahead and started organizing first with the little drawer system. You can find these at Walmart or Target for super duper cheap. And I just put all of the different products and things, mostly loose items, that were in the basket beforehand just to kind of categorize them a little bit better. As you can see, I have things like face masks and teeth whitening strips and then feminine products, razors. I really went through and just tried to declutter and unbox and bag things that didn't need all the containers and threw those away. Put things like bobby pins, extra Clarisonic heads, deodorants, lots of little tiny things that were laying around and basically just taking up a lot of space, and went ahead and categorized them and put them into the different drawers and just threw away the trash that I didn't need.
Make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
This bag here, you'll see, has a lot of different pieces of makeup in it, and these are all things that I don't use daily or tend to reach for a ton, but I still want to keep. And I actually ended up switching over which storage container I wanted to use. And this one comes with a lid, so it's easy to kind of pull out from under the sink if I ever do decide that I want to reach down and use these items. But I definitely didn't want to get rid of them, so I wanted to make sure they have their own special little container. Moving on to the big bin that I had underneath the sink, I wanted to take everything out of here and just start reorganizing it and putting just large bottle shaped items or things that I'm not reaching for all of the time but still wanted to keep. So things like my self tanner or extra shampoo and lotions and moisturizers. I have like a foot soaker, and then you'll see the little black basket on the side. This is actually where I ended up categorizing all of Clay's things that he uses, like his beard trimmer, so that he can just quickly pull this out from underneath the cabinet as well. Obviously, I'm just going ahead and putting everything back in its place and reorganizing it so that it makes the most sense for us.
Please don't be polite, 'cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head.
Now, doesn't this look so much nicer than it did to begin with? It's way more functional, everything is where it needs to be, and everything is easily accessible whenever we need it.
Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Alrighty guys, I hope that you all enjoyed seeing me organizing my under sink cabinet in my bathroom. As you can see, it was a little bit of a mess and honestly just wasn't being functional enough for me and my boyfriend who I live with. We literally kept losing things. We kept forgetting about things that were under the sink, and it was just a complete disorganized mess and we had no idea what to do with it. And I am so happy it is finally clean and organized in a way in which is going to be most useful for the both of us. If you guys enjoyed seeing this organization video and you want to see more like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. I also, if you didn't hear me in the intro, have a playlist with lots of cleaning and organization videos. So if you guys want to see more, I will have that also linked down below in the description box for you guys, as well as at the end of the video. So you can literally just like binge watch on cleaning videos until you find enough inspiration and motivation to clean yourself. So at least that's what I do. And without further ado guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!